Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about some of my absolute favorite slice of life anime series that you definitely need to watch.
Today we are talking about free time and hobbies. I'm here with my guest, Tom. Hi Tom, how are you?
Hi, I'm very good. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Great. So, Tom, what do you usually do in your free time?
Well, I like many things. I usually watch movies, listen to music, and sometimes I play football with my friends.
That sounds fun. How often do you play football?
I play football twice a week, usually on weekends. It helps me stay healthy, and it is a good way to relax.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedies. I don't like scary movies because they make me nervous.
I understand. What about reading books? Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I do. I usually read books before I go to bed. My favorite books are about history and travel.
That's interesting. Do you prefer spending your free time alone or with other people?